Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Spotify tutorial we're gonna learn how to play music offline on Spotify in 2019, and this is for you that has the premium subscription. Alright, so all you have to do is just open up Spotify, and I'm gonna search for a playlist. So I'm gonna search for my own playlist, so Summer Party. So this one, the second one, Summer Party, click on that. Alright, so under Shuffle play button, add songs, you see this download, click on that. Okay, so now click on the download button under the song. So click on all the songs that you want to download in this playlist, like this. So in this case, I'm gonna download all the songs in this playlist, like that. Okay, so this will download all the songs in this playlist. So when you see all green, they are downloaded. So now we can turn off internet. So I can just click on airplane mode. Alright, so let's go back, and now we can choose your library in the bottom right corner. And here you can see Summer Party. We see this green download icon, so we can click on this playlist. Alright, so now we can just play all the songs that you want offline. Okay everyone, so this is how you can play music offline on Spotify in 2019. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.